Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Future Trading with Mike, and today, once again, we're taking a look here at the Emini S&P 500 futures. It's Monday morning, into a new month, May 2nd, and let's see if we can get the month rocking and rolling here. We're taking a couple of trade entries this morning. See if we can be successful and making a little profit today. I want to say thank you to everyone who has already subscribed to the channel. That means you have hit that sub button. Thank you so much, guys, for subbing to the channel. I appreciate it. And hopefully we can continue to get the channel to grow. The information that I have at hand here, I'm sharing, is free of charge. I just want to be able to pass what I know along, show my strategy, which is not really my strategy, but it's just pullback trading. That's all it is. It's simple. We're trades with trading. I'm a scalper. I don't do, I'm not a positional swing style trader, guys. So I look for small little setups in the market, trading my chart platform or charting setups that I have. My charting platform here, because I use all range charts primarily. Got to look at the 60 range, which is my higher time frame. I do look at a daily chart, but it's all for another monitor. But I don't, put a lot of emphasis on that. I just kind of look at that more so from a bigger standpoint to see what the market is actually doing. But what I use intraday is primarily the 60, the 24, the 12, and the 4 range. So, I try to keep my trading simple, pure price action trading. Following price movements, looking at see what price is, starting off with a higher time frame and then scaling down. But what I always want to see, because I'm a supply and demand style trader, I always want to see price either in a supply, hitting a supply zone or demand zone, off the higher time frame, 60 range, and then I start to mark my levels using my 12 range chart. So this is 4 charts that I have set up here, and we'll go ahead and jump into the video. If this is your first time watching one of the videos, guys, please take the time to go ahead and watch the content. Hopefully you find some valuable information within the video. And we'd love to get you to subscribe to the channel. It's basically just my way of I record my videos 5 days a week. So this is my live recorded session here of me trading the ES, and hopefully the information in the video is just valuable content to where it'll help someone out there, maybe to help you or the next person, whatever the case is. But either way, I just want to be able to do these videos I start off doing them for me mentally to kind of go back and record and look at my trades. And then I just said, hey, why not just go ahead and post them to, a community channel like on YouTube, to where other individuals can see me trade. And, I go into detail about each one of my trades. So I show you my trades. I go back and I talk about a little bit why I got into that trade. So it's more informational than anything. So hopefully you guys found some value in it. And like I said, if you're a first time viewer, please take the time to go ahead and sub to the channel. Let's jump into it. We just had ISM report there at 10 o'clock, so it's 10:15 right now. It's 10:17, but so I haven't done any trading yet because I was kind of waiting for that those numbers to come out or that economic report to come out. So being that it has now, we'll go ahead and move forward and start looking at to see what the market's actually doing. But let me scale back a little bit because I wanted to. Where's that at? That's at 41.86. Okay, so let's look at the 60 range and see what the market's actually doing. Starting off there. So I mean, you guys know since pretty much primarily at the beginning of April for 30 days straight, pretty much we've been pushing to the downside. I mean, we've been breaking, making lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, just scaling, moving to the downside. And each time we have a pullback over the last month, the market's just, hit an area, say for instance, like right here, a zone. This could be a supply zone here, and boom, shoots to the downside, meaning it pulls back, breaks the low here on its way back down, okay? And then scoots its way down, pulls back to another little area of supply there, scoots its way down. So, basically what's going on is that the institutions, they have to be able to dump their inventory. So they're buying back up the market, selling it, buying back up the market, selling it. And that's their way of trapping traders when they do this, because a lot of people probably think, oh, the market is moving back higher, let me jump on the board, start taking trades to the upside, and then boom, they're dumping inventory and stopping a lot of traders out. Comes down low, boom, pushes back up, hits an area of resistance here, this area where it pretty much hit it to the T. You had a high here, price dumped lower, pull it back, hit that area again. What did they do? Almost a tick, dumped lower, made a low. So what could we actually see happen? Price pull back maybe to here, maybe up to here, possibly hit this area here again and then dump back lower. So I'm looking at, because it's already broke this low right here at 30 pretty much, which this was a major push to the upside, a pullback, and price breaking higher. Okay, so it broke structure. Major swing right here. So it broke that low right there. And now, and I said this, I was talking to a family member, and I said, man, price is probably going to, and looking at it, this is when price is right here at 4,500. I said, price is probably going to check this low here off this swing to the upside. It did a few days later, checked it, boom, pulled back, hit this area here again, boom, sold off. And it came down here and tested low from February 24th. I was like, I knew that was going to happen. I just knew it was going to happen, right there at 40.95. So where's it going to go from there? I'm not really sure. I have to look at more like a daily chart, because I don't have, as I go out to my left of my chart here on my 60 range. But I mean, we've already broke this low here at 40.95. So gracious, I mean, 40.95. Was that, I said 40.95, guys? Let me see here. Give me 1 second. Yeah, 40.95. It's like, where can it go from there? Man. Disregard these session lines, guys. I know it gets a little messy. So I can't go back any further on my 60 range, to be honest with you. Okay, 40.95. Where was that at? Right, 40. It broke this area here, a little lower. I mean, we could come down here and test these lows down here from, we're talking like way out in May of last year, 40.95. Yeah, what are we going to do? Come down and test some lows from last year? We haven't hit those lows, I don't believe, since, so we'll see what happens here. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and set up here and start looking for some levels that maybe trade from and see what happens. So basic price is bouncing off pretty much to 4,100, maybe a little lower, went a little lower, but it's testing those lows from February 24th. So, yeah, we can get a bounce here and price push higher, but price could actually reject this area here where it's at and push lower. So, just one of those things. Now you just kind of, you just trade based on what price is actually doing. So, we'll see. Right now it's rejecting pretty much right off the top volume node here, pulling back into this swing here. So pulling back, rejecting it, moving sideways right now. So we'll wait to see what price ends up trying to do, and we'll just go from there. All right. So let's see. So I'm scaling down. I scale down and look at my 12 range. We started breaking into some structure here. So let's see what the market's doing. We're moving sideways, definitely. We're moving sideways. There was a swing down to the downside, low, lower high, and then a low here. And this is when price came down and tested that around that 40.95 area, like I said, that low from the February 24th. And price is kind of breaking back into that swing. So, but it's moving sideways, what I'm saying, within this swing. So we just kind of have to wait it out here and see what the market does. So it looks like push higher. So we're breaking structure to the upside. This is on the 60 range, so we're definitely moving higher. So price, let's see. I mean, yeah, I mean, we could, I marked this area right here, so I'm gonna leave it right here, right at 41.86. But price could pull back, basically, that's what it's been doing, pulling back in the structure. Like here, it could pull back and reject and push lower. So right now we're dead smack in an area of resistance. I like to trade based on areas of supply, or if prices were tracing back right now. Because why? Because a supply is a good area. It's a good way to trade, because you're buying when in areas where a lot of the aggressive selling took place at. So why not get into the move or get into the trade or take a trade where the action was happening at. So that's what I like to do. But right now I'm going to wait and see what the market is really doing. This in this congestion, this area right here, testing this high right here. So I'm going to wait. All right, let's see. Not quite sure. The price is kind of moving within this um, swing right here, testing the highs of this swing right here, up here at 53, 54 area. So, um, yeah, I think I'm gonna wait. Short, looking for a little rejection here. Price could push higher, but I think I'm gonna take a little scalp here. There we go. Quick little scalp, and then price reject this area right here. Okay, quick little scalp to the downside, coming back up, testing. Oh, excuse me, testing the highs up here. But I really took this trade after noticing the rejection on the 12 range chart when price pulled back to the highs of this swing right here. You can see on the 60 range, it broke lower, breaking micro swings or breaking micro structure to the downside. So when it did that, pushing down, pull back, rejected right here. So, but be careful though, because we can, push higher. But it retraces back to a small little swing right here, micro swing. This swing here pushed lower, took out this area here. What I didn't want to see was price really take this swing fully out. When it broke back lower, I went short. So that was just, again, that's a retracement trade to go short, scalping. So that's how I do it. Okay, just a retracement trade. I take my trades on retracements, guys. I don't take breakouts unless I see a phenomenal setup, but I'm not a breakout trader. So I'm not trading. Let's pick a quick little 7 ticks on a micro swing trade. All right, so price is breaking higher. So let's see. Like I said, it can come back up here to 87, 90 area, somewhere in there. But price now could actually, let's see, we could pull back to this area here as well. I'm going to be careful right now. I'm trying to see what the market's really trying to do here. Let me look at my 12 range, blow that up a little bit. Yeah, we actually probably yeah, price could push higher here. Um, yeah, we could actually come maybe to this area here. Let me take a look. Bear with me, guys. Bear with me. We may come. I don't know. We'll see when price gets back down to this area right here. See what happens. If it does, it could continue pushing higher. It's projecting this little area right here now, off this little area here. So it's breaking into this little level here now. Yeah, just have to be careful. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see what the market's doing. Mm. Oh. All right. Just gonna break this area here. 59. Yeah, looks like it's Yeah, I don't think I maybe trying to push lower. I'm not sure what it's trying. Let's see. It's trying to break lower. Yeah, I guess it was. Yeah, going short, guys. 6. Come on. All right, going low. Come down, test this area here, like here. Okay, so rejection. Um, price push down, pull back, broke a little lower here, break into this swing here, and just waiting for the pullback back to this area here. Right above this high volume area here at 61, went short. It's going to test this area down here. So just up 18 ticks right now. All right, price is hitting off this area here. Um, let's see. Mm, mm. Let's see if price is going to stay above this area here. Don't want to see it break below the swing. If it does, then it's going to continue pushing lower. And it looks like it's trying to. We'll see. Okay. Yeah, it's trying to go higher. Ah, that I shouldn't have done. This may not be a good trade. You can see it push. There we go. Okay, took it out. I know to come up here and test this area right here. Up here at 57. Yeah, close to it. Not fully all the way up there though, but this was not the trade I was looking for, but it didn't break below this low right here. It rejected in this swing right here. So it didn't break below it, but it could have. And when I saw it turn back around, break back higher, staying above, breaking below this level, this bottom end of the swing, and breaking back above that red line there, I went long. But I really want to see price. Okay, let's see here. Let's see what it's trying to do here. Yeah. Yeah. No, 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 no. Yeah. It's gonna wait. So I'm up 27 ticks right now. It's scalping along. Good break lower now. Let me take a look here. Yeah, you see it rejecting to try to push higher. So yeah, we could possibly break lower. Ah, look at that. Came back down this area. Okay. That was a little long right there. Didn't take that one. It's all right. It's all right. All right. Yeah, that was a little long. Not long. All right. think it's going to probably try to break a little higher. Yep. All right. Let's see. Let's see here. Market push. I would like to see it come up a little higher here, but it didn't. Maybe it's going to try to do it now. Yeah, push a little higher. Come on to test maybe this area here. I'm not sure. Take a look here. Well, we got to be careful here because price is hitting area resistance. Like I said, on this big swing to the downside, price push down, pull back, and push lower. You got resistance here. This is what I call the mouth of the opening of a swing here. So this is definitely resistance sitting right here where this red line is at. And we'll see. But I like to see price maybe pull back into this bigger swing here. Maybe testing here or a little higher. We'll see. That's off the 60 range though. Price is staying below. Yeah. I'm going to stand down right now because it's just pulling up to this area right here. We're kind of bouncing, but we got support right below us. All right, let's see. Okay. Um. Price. Yeah, I'd like to see it come a little lower. Let's see. Let's see this thing on this area here. Yeah. Well, the market pulled back short. You could have went short here at 60. That's on a retracement back up. Testing this high right here. And you got resistance off the higher time frame. So, you got confluence there. I didn't get in that trade. It's all right. Yeah. Let's try to push lower now. So they're like she's trying to push lower. Yeah, be careful. It's itching. All right, let's see. No, sir. Huh. Yeah, this could be it's like price is trying to break lower. Be careful here. Hmm. Hmm. Well, I wonder what the market's going to do. Wonder what it's going to do. stair stepping to the downside, so maybe trying to push lower. Got a low volume node right here. We need to be careful here. Yeah, I think it's trying to push lower. $42. Oh, shoot. Yeah. Kind of hit that area already. 42, 43. Ah, it's projecting. Come on, push lower. What are you doing? Take a look here. Shoot. 43.75. Okay. Yeah, I'm looking forward to push a little lower here, but looks like we're getting a little bit of a problem. 42. Come on. Yep. Ah, crap. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and take out here. It's hitting up against this little area of support right here already. Okay. It can bounce here. Okay. It can actually pull a little lower though, but when I say lower, um, it can actually come down here at 39 or 40 area. 40 is a hidden pivot area, so always be careful, be mindful of those areas like that as well. So 40 and 70 numbers are, to me, they're hidden pivots. I mean, that a lot of traders don't know about. Yeah, you gotta be careful here because you got, even though price bounce right here, you got resistance right above you. So see it coming down here, or it's already it's hitting 40 right now. So, all right, it's hitting 40 right now. Yeah, it's a little difficult to trade here because you have these little areas of resistance right here, right above you. Um, yeah, I think I'm gonna hold off right here. I'm gonna look at the 60 range. Yeah, price can come. Let's see here. Ah, yeah, I mean, it can test this high volume area here on the higher time frame at 30, 31 area. So, hmm. Ah, okay. Little break there to the upside, bouncing. Red line. If it comes back to this area, I might look for the entry to go long. Come on. Okay, I'm gonna scalp this real quick. Come on, go up. Don't pull back. Come on. Look at it. Unbelievable. Okay. All right. May come up here and test the 42 area, but it can push lower. It did reject bounce. Look at it. See? It's projecting again from down here. It's probably going to test this 42 area. It's at 40 and a half. So I'm trying to push lower now. I'm not sure. I'm gonna stand down here. It already rejected it, bounced off of it. It's probably gonna come up and hit this area though. Watch it. There it is. What did I say? 42. I knew it. I just got a little chicken there because it was started. It pushed up, pulled back, and started trading sideways. But I knew it was going to hit that area there. All right, that was a solid entry. That was on a retracement trade to this little area right here. This area here, if you look at it, guys, pushed up. Market made a high here, pulled back, broke higher. What do you see here? A lot of aggressive selling. Market retraces back to this area here. I want to see it stay above this area right here, okay? Above 39, okay? Price pulls back to that area. I don't want to see it break below this swing here, okay? On the rejection, I looked at the lower time frame, the 4 range. I saw the rejection right here. What did it do? It came back to this area. That red line marks this swing here, never breaking below this low here, this little swing to the upside. All right, so look at my 4 range, little W formation there, you can call it. Price rejects it, pushes up, pulls back, breaks higher. On the pullback, you look for the trade. That's what I did. I entered right there, okay? So that's your trade to take. All right, so I'm up 38 ticks right now. Just scalping away. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, guys, I said it earlier. You know, price is pulling back, and it could just be breaking, trying to break lower, but I would have preferred to see it. It's bouncing around this area, off the 60 range, or off the area of resistance. So I would like to have seen it pull back a little further into the swing. But you know, it could shoot right on down now and test back at the lows at down here. So let's see. One thing for sure. Oh man, did I move this arrow? I did. This line. No, 41, 48. So yeah, price is hitting an area now. I mentioned this high volume node, 41.30 off the higher time frame. Okay, we got resistance right above us though, so yeah. Yeah, it's already hitting that area. Gotta be careful there. Gotta be. Yeah, it's gonna bounce right here and test it again. Let's see. Pushed up, pulled back, broke higher, came back to this area right here. This was your long right here. You could just take it right back to the tops right here. So, didn't take that trade, but it's cool. So I'm looking at a lower time frame now. Looking at 12. On the 60, I keep saying this, guys. We hit this area of resistance. It's bigger swing here. Price pull back into it, and this is why we're getting that rejection to you know, where it pulls back here. Like I said, it could break down. It broke it here, pulled back, and then broke here, made a lower low slightly. Then it pulls back. We did make a high here, breaking this high here. So it's going to be interesting to see because we're kind of in a wedge now on the higher time frame. So with this said right here, what price is doing, let me take a look. Situation like this right here, I like to prefer to see price. It's bouncing around this area of support right here. And I don't like to really trade off areas of strictly off areas of support and resistance. I want to see price maybe come back down maybe to this area here. Possibly. Let's see. I don't know. We'll see what price does. It's right at the VPOC now too, so I'm not going to do any trading until price moves away from this area. The VPOC, I highly recommend you guys don't trade that area. It's like a magnet. Price is going to keep pulling back to it because it's where most of the contractual transactions have taken place. You know, most of the volumes being created there for today. So I'm going to stand down from that area. But this is an area of accumulation where buying took place. So again, price could, you know, definitely bounce. But we got the VPOC here, and you got resistance right above you. So I'm going to stand down right now until I see something better. Yeah, it kind of appears we're trying to move back to the lows here. Price is in a wedge. We got a high here, a low here. Price is kind of just moving dead in all this area of I call it highway traffic in a sense, but got a lot of congestion. But this was an area right here where buying did accumulate here and push higher. So um, coming back down here and checking the lows. This is off the higher time frame. So let me look at the 12 range chart here. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, let's see. Market maybe come a little lower. Yep, let's tap into that area now. So let's see what happens here. This could be quite interesting. And market might just spike right up, shoot right up. We'll see. It's rotating here, so um, yeah, 41.20. Let's see. I look at both my 12 and my 4 range charts, guys. There's a high volume area right here off the 12 range. You can see it right here. Um, hmm. And market like it's just wanting to push scalping real quick. Come on, reject this area and push higher. We'll go for a quick little long. Okay, quick little long there to the upside. I knew we'd probably stop. Kind of pause right here in this area right here around 20, and you see it here right there at 19 and a quarter. So, all right, I'm up 46 ticks right now. And this is where price. Yep, there it goes. So this is the pullback right here to go long on right here. Okay, that's what I was waiting to happen. Broke above, pull it back. Okay, I want to see I want to see a full swing form right here. So I marked the line, the red line. Okay, this is the area. Breaks up, pulls back, break. Where do you go long at? When price pulls back to the swing right here that it forms. Okay, off the floor range. I marked my 12 range. This was my area that I was interested in. Price pushed up, pulled back, broke higher. Buying accumulation right here, okay? Price breaks into this area right here, the structure. I don't want to see price pretty much break below this pretty much area right here, but particularly this swing right here. This is a supporting swing, okay, off this larger swing right here. So price stays above it. I need to say price also stay above this red line. When it broke above the red line, okay, let's see where we're at. Price breaks above the red line, pulls back, closes above green, and go long. Okay. Let's see here. So I am looking to see. Okay, I'm long here. This may be short-lived, so let me. Let's see. Come on. I'm gonna scalp this area, guys. It can pull back here. Dang it. It's okay. Let me take this trade here out. This is not a good trade. I made a mistake in my entry. Come on. Push up. Hit my profit target to the tick. Look at it. Let me get out this trade. Don't like this trade. Okay, I'm gonna get out. Okay. Actually, I'm getting back in. Go long. I see what it's doing now. There we go. Okay. Dang it, that was a trade right there. Okay. Let's see what happened on my trade performance. Got into the trade too early. All right, I'm up 47 ticks. So, I took a little bad trade. And you say, some people say, oh, you don't ever take bad trades or you don't take, yeah, I took a little loss. There it is, 14 tick loss right there. And got back in it and recovered from it. Okay. So it does happen to me. I got in too early. I should have waited for price to come back down to this area right here where this red line was at, and then went long. So I made a mistake. Taking a trade too early. It does happen. It happens to all of us. So anyways, price probably will move up to this area up here at 24. Let's see. I am long. Come on. There we go. Okay, and come up to this area. Okay, we're hitting it right now at 24, 25 area right there. So, all right, I just picked up 7 ticks off that trade there. I'm up 54 ticks now. Okay, and that's probably going to be it for me today, guys. We're back up to price pull back to this red line here. I mentioned it, okay? And you can go long again, taking it back up to this little swing high right here, okay? All right, or primarily look at the 12 range. Yeah, right here at 24 and a half. So, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and call it this for today. Today's Monday, May the 2nd. Okay, so that's my scalping trades. I use a simple scalping strategy that I use, and I go in detail in a lot of my videos. And if you guys go back and watch some of the other videos, but I use the same strategy each and every day, guys. So that's the key to it: is sticking with the trading plan, sticking with the strategy you use, and just make sure that you have a good, solid strategy to use. And you be consistent. I keep saying the key is about being green each day. I see people out here that have, oh my gosh, they carry so much drawdown when they trade, and I don't know how they do it. I don't know how they stay in the trades like that. I don't even know how they continue to trade. I like to trade the way I do because I can get in, get out. I know exactly where the point I'm getting in at, and where I should be getting out at. I'm pretty, what's the word I'm trying to look for? I guess I'm really confident in my trading. So, in the style I trade, because I'm not a swing trader. I'm not a position trader, style trader. I don't really like taking breakouts. Every once in a while, I may see a good trade, and I may take a breakout, but primarily I'm taking trades, but on my trades for some pullbacks to key levels of whether it's aggressive selling or buying, whatever case took place at, and look for the rejection. So that's pretty much it. I'm a scalper, and I scalp for my ticks, and I get out, and I go to the next day. I don't like playing the, making money today and losing money tomorrow and having to go back and make it up again. I don't play those games, guys. So this is my live recorded session, guys. Hopefully you find, value in the content I'm here to create, and I'm just trying to share my knowledge and wealth and the style of how I trade. And trust me, it will work for you. You just got to be consistent in your trade each day and stick with the same regimen and using the same strategy. That's it. Okay. See you guys in the next one. If you're trading, be safe, and I'll see you tomorrow.